How to get more subscribers on Snapchat public profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get more subscribers on your Snapchat public profile. Now if you open up Snapchat app and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and scroll down and head into my profile, here you'll be able to see your my public profile. Now the way to increase more subscribers on Snapchat is to be interactive. Now you can see I don't have any stories. I do have a single spotlight and insight here, but I don't have much of interactions. What you want to do is interact more with the public account, post interesting stuffs, and then what you want to do is use hashtags that are popular, trending hashtags and stuffs, and post more often and post more interesting. Or what you can do is invite your friends and share with them and share with multiple friends, and this way you can get more subscribers. This is the only way you can get more subscribers. There is no any other way. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.